everyone, welcome back to another episode of K Hangout, the show where your bias list is valid, your photo cards are sacred, and your fangirl heart is understood. Get ready to stand, it's K Hangout time! So today's episode is extra special because we're talking about love, K-pop, and everything in between. Please welcome a couple who proves that K-pop and your love life crossover is real. My friends, Neri and Jello.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
First of all, welcome guys. I am so happy that you guys are here and taking your time off to guest. So let's start off strong. Neri, Neri, this is a question for you.
I'm stressed.
Ay, stress ka agad.
Wala pa.
Just to put it out there.
Ay, okay. Ba't ka stress? Huwag ka ma-stress. Fun lang. Okay, so have you ever felt the need to downplay your fangirl life for the sake of Jello?
Hindi naman masyado actually. Not really. I think it's really more of the struggle of finding balance. Syempre, hindi pa naman kami ganun ka-tagalan. We're just 1 year and a few months, right? So parang very minimal pa lang yung nakikita niyang ano. And usually, we do our activities kasi more on parang individually. So di pa niya ako fully talaga na nakikita na sumisigaw sa mga concert, ganyan. He gives me time to celebrate it.
Sana
yung
all.
ganun.
Yeah. Usually ako yung naghihintay dun sa restaurant habang matapos yung concert.
Yun yung role niya.
Oo. Or taga-bit-bit ng mga merch after which I would like to clarify. I will gladly do because I think that's the good thing about us is that I mostly handle college basketball naman and movies and we support each other.
I love that.
Like we're there for each other. So kung ako naghihintay for K-pop, siya naghihintay sa basketball games ko. Sometimes
Balita
she
ko
falls asleep.
natulog lang siya.
On live broadcast actually. So there's a clip out there somewhere for sure.
Pero yun, syempre minsan nahihiya ako. At first, even until today, siguro may mga moments na nahihiya ako na, syempre may nakikita akong picture ni na, just quiet lang.
Yeah. Sabi ko parang mas pogi naman ako.
Ay!
Kung dati ang bilis,
Bashers.
kung dati ang bilis kong
Sorry
mag-share
po,
sa
fandom.
stories, ngayon minsan, okay, sige, kalma muna. Kasi nga, syempre, parang gano'n. May balance lang ba?
I love it.
Gano'n. Tapos magpo-post yung iba dyan ng Jenny, gano'n.
Sasayaw
Okay
na
na,
po
okay
siya. May dance number po tayo for today.
Okay.
So, Jello, for you naman, what's one thing you wish you understood better about Neri's love for her, K-pop idol?
Actually, it's funny because many years ago, I was the senior content producer for an independent publication. It's called We the Public. Maybe you guys are familiar with it. And something happened, like, alam niyo, natandaan niyo yung BTS Nuggets.
BTS
With McDonald's.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. So I didn't understand the fandom, the fascination with the Nuggets, but I saw or the sauces apparently. No, I saw lang that these BTS fans or armies, di ba tawag? They were getting bashed online and I was like, nagsulat ako ng article na parang in defense of armies.
Yes.
Now I was like,
Thank you so much.
follow me on TikTok. I'm just kidding. No. For me, I wrote there. I said, have you never been a fan of anything? Right? Kasi ako fan ako ni Kobe eh. I wanted to see him live. Unfortunately, he passed away. I cried when Kobe passed away. So I could understand if someone would be heartbroken if they didn't see their idol on concert. Minsan lang dumating sa Pilipinas. So for me, it wasn't hard because I always sympathize that we're always passionate about something. So for me, yes, I might not be able to name all of the BTS members, but I do know what it means to be like so passionate about. So for me, I understand the passion. I might understand half of what Neri shows me sometimes. Na Namjoon daw did this and that, and I'm like, okay, but I know how it feels to be a fan, and from one fan to the other, I can totally sympathize with that. I'm not one to bash.
I love it. Moving the K-pop thing aside, please let the viewers know like a little background on your relationship. Like, how long have you guys been together?
Gano'n na tayo katagal.
Ay, hindi alam.
Kapon lang ata tayo nagkita eh. Forget.
Dito, nakita ko lang siya doon.
Sa kanto.
Sabi mo kasi kailangan mo na couple eh. As a good
Pwede
friend,
naman.
sabi ko, sige.
Hindi ko. Single din ako eh. 1 year plus.
1 year something.
1 year something. And we met sa
Bumble,
yeah.
met in Bumble.
Actually nandun na lahat, naka-layout na lahat na, nakita ko siya sa harap ng MOA Arena.
What was my bio?
Hey guys, we don't
I said
ha.
the K-pop. That was my bio and then...
That you're a K-pop. Meron disclaimer ka agad.
Oo, hindi po too sponsored ng Bob.
Sorry.
At your own risk.
Yeah. Meron na kagad disclaimer on the bio that says, I'm a K-pop fan. Just putting it out there. Yeah. So, I guess meron bang rift?
Naman.
When people see na you're a K-pop fan, parang red flag yun for some?
Nagkakaroon ng face change. Parang pag sinasabi nila, parang, so what's your choice of music? Yeah, parang, sabi ko, I'm really into, sasabihin ko ba? I'm really into K-pop to switch rin. K-pop? K-pop?
Did you ever bother to ask why? Ano nila?
Actually, first reaction, ganung buka.
A lot of guys actually.
So what did they say?
No need to ask. Okay
parang they find it weird. I don't know. They don't like it.
They don't like, so they don't ever say a specific reason. They just, I don't like K-pop
parang
fans.
Bakit? That's always like the...
I think it's the logic na sumisigaw ka dun sa mga lalaking hindi ka kilala. I asked you before, diba? Parang,
but I scream at guys na hindi rin ako kilala. Hindi dribble basketball. So, sabi ko, galingan mo naman. Matatalo yung team ko.
And ang point dun is, imagine kami sumisigaw sa mga sumasayaw, sa mga kumakanta, sa mga pogi. Kayo sumisigaw sa grupo ng mga lalaki na nagpapasahan lang ng bola.
Right, exactly. Like they're really good at dribbling basketballs, di ba? And if they say na meron toxic fans, meron rin naman toxic sa amin. Nakita nyo ba yung... I think magiging outdated na to. Pero this reference, I hope topical reference pa rin siya by the time this episode comes up. Pero merong Knicks fan na, I think Knicks fan or Indiana fans, na binato siya ng trash ng New York Knicks fan. So I'm like, both fandoms are capable of good and bad naman eh, di ba? So yeah.
So parang kahit naman sabihan ng mga fangirls is parang baliw, crazy, na
like
parang
they're crazy, delusional, ganun.
Gumagastos kayo para sa bola.
Oo. Sa jerseys, tickets,
Compare natin yung amin, sumasayaw.
Oo.
Pagod sila.
Gusto mo rin ba kami sumayaw?
Okay lang ako.
Guys, baka at the end of this video, may breakup na ata. May breakup na ata na magaganap today.
But I do understand. Again, we're just both fans, different aspects.
Okay.
Okay. Still for Jello, what was your initial reaction nga when you found out how deep she was into the K-pop world?
Again, wala namang masyado. Ang sa akin, it's just funny na it took me a lot longer to arrive sa screen ng cellphone niya or sa bag niya than this random Korean guy that I don't know. I'm not saying that I want, my previous relationships na ilagay niyo ako sa cellphone niyo or sa bag niyo. Pero there was just like a slight hesitance pa na, ilalagay ba ito sa bag ko? But then tinignan ko, may 3 Koreano dito eh. Para mas madali pa hatang yung decision na yun kaysa sa akin. So,
pati yung wallpaper. Wallpaper niya, screensaver ako na. Tapos akin ang tagal pa rin. Oo. Tapos parang, lagay mo naman. Kahit yung pagpindot lang, nandun mo ka.
But yun naman eh. I mean, in all seriousness, if like the worst thing that you can say about someone, I don't even call it the worst, is that they stan someone really hard. I mean, they're a genuinely good person, right? Ang daming toxic daw nag-go-ghost. Ito naman ang problema mo lang, wala yung picture ko sa phone mo, may random Korean guy dyan. Parang I'm good with that deal, di ba? Yeah. So, yeah.
So, staying in the topic nga about Neri being into K-pop, was there anything that genuinely surprised you? Like, I'm sure you've seen her room na, like her collection.
Well, nabigla ako one time when I went to her house. Pagkabukas ko, there was someone staring back at me. Kasing tangkad ko siya. And it was a cutout of Namjoon pala. I was like, whoa, sino to? May nakakulong ba dito? There was just a silhouette of a cutout. Another thing that surprised me really is yung perspective then of how things matter based on where you stand. So for example, it was so hard to get the tickets to concerts,
J-Hope,
right? Diba? J-Hope ba yun? Sino si Hobie? Are they the same person?
The same person?
Oh my God, yeah. So,
bashers.
they're the same person pala. Yeah, so it was so hard. And for me, if I miss out, for example, I love the 1975. If I miss out, okay lang. Pero for her, talaga naiiyak siya until, the very last minute. So for me, yun lang na parang, wow, it means that big of a deal. But yeah, I would say, ikaw, what do you think?
Question mo yan eh.
Question pa yun. Di ba ka na may ma-add ka naman sa pag
I'm very
ano?
proud of you.
Okay. Yeah.
So keeping it real, what's been the most challenging or the most rewarding thing about dating a fangirl? Both na lang, challenging and rewarding.
Rewarding and dating a fangirl. It's honestly trying to keep up and trying to like the fandom. Kasi
you don't have to like the fandom.
I understand. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, before we went on the podcast, sabi ko, the one thing that I will always say, there's a difference between loving and respecting something. You can respect something without, being too enamored or in love with it.
Definitely.
So, for example, if I bring her to basketball, sabi ko, I don't expect you to dribble the ball and shoot a three-pointer. Like, I just want you to be with me. And, alam mo yun? Like,
imagine.
diba? So, the same lang naman na parang yes, I acknowledge that K-pop exists, that BTS exists. But for me personally, it's kind of hard for me to get in with music that I don't understand.
Tama.
That's why most of the BTS songs that I actually like, it's either in English, so Dynamite, Butter, yung kay Halsey, or meron silang ka-collaborate na Western artist that I know, so si Usher and si Jungkook. Because yun, may familiarity aspect that latch on. So yeah, for me, difference between respecting and loving something. You can respect without having to love it so much. Yeah.
But so that's a challenging. What's the most rewarding?
Rewarding. You just know that you're doing good even if you don't understand 90% of the time what the heck's happening. Like nandito ako, may bag ako dito, ang daming merch. I don't know what this merch does. I don't know paano umiilaw yung ganon na naka-remote control yung light stick. But seeing her happy, I think that's enough, for me, I guess.
That's the end of our vid.
Nainggit na yung host, nag-quit na, nag-walk out.
I think this is cut. Joke lang. Joke lang. So have you ever found yourself like low-key converting into being a K-pop fan? Like knowing their names?
Ang sinabi ko lang talaga, well, for me, it's the admiration of how much talent actually. I think people who bash K-pop just don't understand how much talent and hard work you have to be an artist. Like si Jungkook, I would say. Kasi nakikita ko yung...
Sorry.
Ayun ba yung bias mo? Nakikita ko lang yung mga dance videos niya. Paano siya sumasabay kay Usher. Ang sabi ko lang si Jungkook, maraming time. Kasi sabi niya Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 7 days a week. Sabi ko, wala ka ba yung ginagawa? Dahil mo energy, Pero, yeah, for me lang talaga yung hats off to the talent of these guys and everyone involved in the industry. It's not an easy job, I would say. And I would imagine the retention. Like, BTS siguro is the outlier, pero ang dami nang nag-debut, then lumipas.
They've super been through a lot.
At saka, also one of the challenging din, like in terms on my end naman, it's the way na kailangan mong timplahin.
Okay.
Kasi you can't really, ako lang, syempre. Like full on mode, sisigaw ka pag may nakita ka kita mo yung abs. Hello! Annyeonghaseyo! Ang pagi-pagi mo.
Kaya pala when we randomly pass by like a poster sa mall, Annyeonghaseyo, I was like, sino yun? I don't even know who that is.
Exposed. Na-expose ka tuloy. Ayan.
Hindi, pero I mean, syempre, yun na yung mga limitations. And it's not because parang nabawasan ka na as a fan. So it's just really more of a respect din sa kanya.
Yes.
Parang ganun. Pero I think yun yung challenge ko before. Pero very understanding kasi siya. Meron siyang deep appreciation in terms of music as a whole, lahat ng genre. So, I think he's very open to that. Yun naman yung rewarding for me na pwede ako magpatugtog ng BTS na hindi ko makikita magsuscrunch yung mukha niya or like sabi na, papakinggan ba talaga natin yan?
What if magpatugtog ako ng Blackpink? Magsuscrunch mo?
Let's stay on the topic.
Okay.
Kasi I've met, hindi nga lang naman mga dinidate, even friends that we know na hindi sila ganun, they don't really understand and we don't expect them to understand, diba? It's just that, just be happy for us. Parang ganun. Parang minsan makakatanggap ka ng question na, iintindihan mo ba talaga yan? Diba parang pagka tinanong ka na ganun sometimes, naririnig mo ba sarili mo? Diba minsan gusto mo, ibalik lang sa ganun. So, I don't have that issue sa kanya.
I love it. So, ano naman, like, tell us your experience. What does it feel like to have somebody who's super supportive of your fangirl
I
life?
think he shows his support on... Gawa mo.
Ganun ba yun? Diba ganun ba yun?
Baka
Tama
may
ba?
nakonte. Never niya nakuha ng tama yan. So parang, I feel like, he shows support on different ways naman. So parang, for example, kapag may mga cup sleeve event, pag may mga listening party, nandyan siya.
Ay, sana all.
Oh, nandyan lang siya sa corner. Ganon. Nandyan siya, sasama siya. So,
Pero nasa corner siya.
Picture. Yan ang role niya.
Yeah.
Mag-picture siya, mag-video siya. What else do you wanna do? Ganon. And then, kakausapin niya yung mga ibang mga friends ko, ganyan. Tapos yung sa concert last time, alam niya na I'm gonna go there by myself. Kasi syempre, wala naman akong kasamang iba. So, he waited for me.
Sorry, Jello. Wala talagang kaming mahanap na ticket. Hinapit ko ng ticket
It's
eh.
okay, it's okay.
No, it's okay. At saka, that's also one. Hindi niya pinipilit i-insert yung sarili niya to those activities. Parang kung sa ano ba, kung concert yan ng K-pop, mga lalaki, pag nandun ako, sasabihin niya lagi, pag nandun ako, hindi ka makakasigaw. Kasi mahihiya ka eh. Paano kasi sigaw sa lalaki, katabi mo yung jowa mo? So, I'm just gonna leave you there. Like, do your thing. Shout. Do whatever you want. Iwanan kita. I'll just be here after. Parang ganon. So, yun yung nawala na yung mga hesitations na ganon. I can enjoy it by myself. I can enjoy it with him. So, parang ganon. At least I get to keep my individuality na na-enjoy ko yung mga activities ko na freely. Na hindi ako nahihiya. Hindi ako na ganon.
Guys, bounce na pala ako. Bounce na talaga. Tapos na ako. Okay, so wait. May surprise ako sa inyo. Jello, this is actually your moment.
Okay. Oh my God.
So, tell us one wild or funny memory na something Neri did full-on fangirl mode that you experienced.
Full-on fangirl mode. I think talaga lang the scouring for tickets talaga. I would say that is like the craziest part because like, well, I work in media,
Yes.
but the thing is, yung mga kakilala ko aren't necessarily the people that would dance or sing in BTS concerts. Medyo malayo sila sa industry. So parang you're kinda like, ano pong silbi ko? Sa media ako, but I don't know people who could give her tickets. It was like constant platitudes na parang it's okay, like imagine mo if talagang malas ka, BTS will still be around when they're 50, nag-perform sila
Ay, sana all.
diba? Baka sa Metro Tent at Cebu na sila, we can still go to them.
Oh my God! Sinasabi niya talaga yung lahat na ng comfort.
Oh my
Hindi ako
God.
naku-comfort!
Diba may retirement tour pa yan, yung Eraserheads nga. Sabi na,
Oy, actually true. Bumalik yung Super Junior. Oh,
Actually,
matanda na
diba?
sila.
May reunion pa yan. But I do understand na maganda
Backstreet
in the
Boys.
moment kasi it's happening. So I guess that would be the wildest thing na talagang usually kasi si Neri, bilang mo lang ng kape, panoorin mo na siya ng Lilo and Stitch, for example, na Modern Family, okay na siya. Pero this was like treating a patient na hindi mo alam kung ano yung sakot sa anong cure sa sickness because I don't know. I don't have the tickets.
I feel like I understand where she's coming from though. Kasi syempre, as a lot of people know, they haven't been here in like 8
nga
years.
daw.
So, the feeling of wanting to attend.
Nandito na sila eh.
Yeah, nandito na sila.
You're right. Yeah, and parang prelude pa daw yun na baka they might come together.
Oh my God.
Return to the Philippines or
I
something
know,
like
kasi
that.
syempre, malay mo that's the gateway concert eh.
Pero I
pag na-enjoy niya or like natuwa yung mga organizers on their end, di ba malay mo dalhin nila dito kasi parang, it worked well.
Pero
Okay pala.
now that I think about it, siguro yung equivalent if I missed out on Avengers Endgame or something, on parang Avengers Infinity
Kaya na,
War, no?
i-invite ka
Something
sa mga
like
premieres,
yeah.
hindi ka
I guess.
iba
Yeah.
yun.
Yeah. Hindi, parang ganun sa mga loob ko.
Let's get into like the real talking.
Okay.
So like relationships, as everybody know, thrive syempre on communication. Like communication is key, not just for like significant others, but family relationships, friend relationships. But syempre, K-pop's kind of built different. So, Neri, how do you explain your passion and set boundaries as a fan and a partner?
Again, I think I mentioned this earlier, no? Parang, I think this part of my life, I do enjoy this as me as an individual Although nandyan siya, yes. Kinikwentuhan ko siya. Kaya lang, the thing is, with him, when you say something to him, after siguro mga ilang oras, he forgets. So, even though nagkikwentuhan kami, madalas marami na siyang nakakalimutan. Pero ano siya, very patient. Siguro paano ko ba i-explain?
Saan ba pwede i-check out yung kagaya ni Jen? May mahanap ba?
Tingnan sa TikTok shop.
Very, siya patient. Pag nagkikwento ako, pag may mga, di ba syempre pag may pinapanood tayong video, minsan parang it's a rabbit hole. May papakita kang isa. Tapos pag natuwa siya, may kinoma siya, ay, alam mo ba? Nakita na kita. Tapos nagpapakita na naman ako ng bagong video. Tapos titignan. Siya, very patient siya with that. And then yung mga activities ko na mga pinupuntahan, he really makes time. Kasi syempre may work din siya, busy din siya. So parang pagka may mga simple as Cops TV event. Even nga yung padating ng mga events this June, kinakalendar na namin. Nasa calendar niya na. So alam niya na kung saan kami pupunta sa June 8, June 14. Ayan, meron ng mga...
So may time management.
Oo, kailangan talaga kasi marami tayong activities.
Tama.
Marami tayong lakad-lakad eh. Even like today, ganyan. So like, just really making time management, and I think it's just really more of understanding each other's passion.
Yeah.
Na parang alam niya na this is important to me. Hindi man niya memorize lahat.
No,
Hindi man niya kilala lahat. Yes,
actually, mo yung naging hook sa akin when you introduce like interesting trivia. Like sinabi niya sa akin, si Namjoon daw isn't that good of a dancer. I'm allowed to say that. Am I gonna get killed online?
Hindi naman. It's known.
So parang yung sinabi niya yun, and then the management daw does these kinds of tricks on how to hide yung inadequacy niya na yun. And then kasi nga alam ko yung mga butter or dynamite. So
Sample.
I rewatch. Parang may ganun dumamang na
ba't ka gumiling?
Hindi kasi ganun.
Ano yun? Kasama yun sa dance.
What happened?
Kasi di ba pag it's either itatago siya,
Yes.
or if sasayaw siya, parang kembot-kembot, then 1 to 10 seconds, then alis.
Yeah. Pero totoo yan, no? Parang mas na-enjoy yung mga trivia. Like, I'm telling him na si Namjoon yung majorly talaga na nagsusulat.
Yeah.
Yan, nagugulat siya sa mga ganyan. And then, alam niya na in terms of the chronological order ng albums, may storya yon, magkakadugtong yung intro and outro, ganyan. Pag kinikwento ko sa kanya, oh, really? Parang,
Very big brain si
parang
Namjoon
K-pop, really? Ganun. Akala niya kasi before, siguro surface lang naman kasi ang introduction niya, akala niya siguro yung K-pop, like, happy lang, pop, ganyan, saya-saya, ganyan.
Gusto ko nga yung pop-pop era nila. I heard na hindi daw yun yung gusto nila.
We like the older songs.
Older songs talaga.
Yung mga spring.
Yeah. Gusto ko lang yung
Yun yung mga mga later version.
Dynamite talaga.
Dynamite talaga. Mapapasabog ka mamaya. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
So, Jello, how do you express naman your feelings or concerns, like in regards to, I'm sure you guys have plans as a couple, and then let's say something comes up like a concert.
Right.
What if it happens during your anniversary? Like, how do you express your feelings or concerns towards?
Sisingit ko lang, sinagot ko siya na alam kong malayo sa kahit anong BTS dates.
Yeah, that's a good thing about us. Naka-calendar lahat ng events namin. Kasi we're both attending events from different sectors nga, di ba? So lahat yun naka-map out. Pero on the odd chance talaga na somehow may sumulpot, I think it's always measuring gano'n ba ka-big deal tong personal event natin versus this interest of yours. So for example, Hobie, who doesn't always come here, versus may scheduled date tayo sa isang restaurant, I would go for the Hobie concert. Like, I would go myself, di ba? Because it's that a big deal. Pero yun, ako ang mas concern ko, I guess, is yung savings din as well. Like, very expensive pala to be a K-pop fan. Ngayon ko lang nalaman talaga. Super mahal ng tickets. And then the merch as well. Thankfully, we're in, Pero another is then, I guess, because you're in content creation, you're susceptible also to criticism, I guess. So siguro, that's the one lang na medyo concerned ako in the sense like how, kasi we take criticism differently eh.
Yes.
Ako, okay, fine. Parang ganon.
Okay.
I don't know you. You're on a screen from the other side of the earth. Parang ganon, di ba? Pero I know si Neri medyo, madamdamin siya. So, for me, I feel for her. I feel for her lang. Parang sabi ko lang sa kanya, as long as you enjoy your hobby, wala ka naman sasaktan, wala ka naman sasagasaan. Just do it. So, yun lang. Money, time, and sometimes criticism, I guess.
Actually, right now, I think it's just really more of money.
Money.
Kasi I think before, syempre, nung single pa ako, ang jowa ko, BTS.
Si Namjoon talaga. Namjoon, if you're watching
I
this.
mean, tayo nagsasweldo sa kanila. Pero I mean, like, no hesitation. Syempre, dati, di ba, parang, syempre, breadwinner ako ng family namin. So, that's one. And then second is, if I'm gonna spend money for myself, it's just really more for BTS. Doon na concentrated yon. So, that's how I celebrate myself is. So, BTS, merch, ganyan-ganyan. Pero syempre ngayon, I think, syempre, we also get older, and then right now I have a partner. So ngayon, in terms of my finances and time, kasama ko na siyang kausapin niya. May kasama na akong pag-usapan yun. So syempre, pag may mga merch ngayon, kung dati bibili lang ako, ngayon it's really more of, do you think I need this? Parang ganon.
Like, as we get older, that's parang...
You shift your priorities.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then, tsaka kasi like, sooner or later in the future, di ba, syempre, yung mga ganong purchases is gonna be a decision of us both. Yung mga concert, ganyan. And tama nga siya, every time na we have an event, it's just really more of weighing and compromise talaga. Sino ba yung may...
mas mabigat
na happening, ganyan. And then, the next time, bawi naman. Ikaw naman. Sige, note tayo ng basketball game.
Pero natulog siya.
Natulog. At least nandun. Then Tent was there.
Yung concert ni Hobie, he was with me since morning, di ba?
Yeah,
Hanggang sa matapos yung concert. After the next weekend, nanood kami 3 basketball game.
So, lagi may sukle.
Laging may compromise lang.
So you guys mentioned nga na parang you have individual likes and stuff like that. But if given the chance, you'll bring him to a BTS concert naman.
I think, alam mo, I think we had this discussion before. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, judge mo ba ako pag bigla akong umiyak? Feeling ko tumutunog pa lang yung, di ba yung pag nagsa-start yung concert, yung parang akala mo may music video pa lang, yung paulit-ulit na music video, feeling ko umiyak na ako nun eh. Sabi ko, judge mo ba ako kapag nangyari yun? Kasi feeling ko hindi ko alam kung ano magiging reaction ko talaga eh. Pagka nandyan na yung, ay!
Na-imagine mo
na wala ba?
Ay, ba't ka umiyak?
Ay, di, wala lang, naisip ko lang. No, parang like,
Uy, wag ka umiyak.
ala!
Wag ka umiyak.
No.
Wala pa nga. Hindi pa di-start si Namjoon. Umiyak ka na.
Diba? Ayun, so parang feeling ko lang, like, how is it gonna be?
No, most definitely, I'll be very happy for you.
I know.
Yun
Me
eh.
too.
Oh.
As in, sobrang happy ko for you.
hindi na question kung iiyak eh.
I know.
The thought pala umiyak na. So definitely iiyak yung sa concert.
I feel like, so sabi ko, siguro, it's a really big part of my life na if i-share ko yun sa kanya na manonood ng BTS concert. Syempre,
Bounce na pala talaga ako.
Mainit-init pa yan.
Gano'n ba ito sa puwet? Hindi, pero feeling ko kasi, syempre before, syempre mag-isa na, wala naman akong kapatid. So it's just really more of me and BTS in my life. So parang imagine mo, parang pag pumunta ka ng BTS concert, kasama mo siya, parang ka nagpakasal, tapos binitbit mo siya. Alam mo yan, yung parang, parents, ito na po, parang willing na gano'n. Gano'n yung pakiramdam. And it's not really more of a concern if magugustuhan niya yung concert or not. Kasi, ako, I really believe in BTS in their power. I mean, anyone na makakapanood sa kanila, I don't need to explain. I don't need to convince anyone na gustuhan nyo si BTS. Galingan nyo na mag-appoint kayo kay Namjoon, matalino. Wala, hindi ko kailangan gawin yon. Kasi parang their work speaks for them na eh. So, I know pa na pumunta siya, magugustuhan niya talaga yung BTS. And he enjoys good music eh. So, nagtitiwala ako doon. So, it's just really more of kinakabahan ako what's gonna be my reaction. Kasi to be honest, hindi ko alam. Kasi I've never...
Iiyak ka. Umiyak ka na yun.
Wild guess. Pero tingin namin iiyak ka.
Wild guess. May controversial question.
Okay,
Kasi you know how fans, sometimes they get proposed to sa concerts, no?
Oh.
Pag si Jello
We talked about
nag-propose
this.
in front of Namjoon,
Nag-propose in front of Namjoon?
No, kasi
How
diba,
did that happen?
remember sa mga ibang concerts, like sa Taylor Swift concerts,
May
mga BTS
nagpo-propose.
concert, may mga nagpo-propose.
Tapos ipo-point out siya ni Namjoon na nagpo-propose.
Oo,
Gano'n.
but like for K-pop idols kasi, they don't like, oh my God, don't propose to me in front of like,
Yeah.
ganito, ganyan. That's so disrespectful to my husband, ganyan. Ganyan, yan.
Alam mo, pag nag-propose ka, tapos tinuro ni Now, so sasabihin ko doon, yes! Ay, sorry! Mali na nakalahan.
Rejected pala.
Sabihin ko, Jenny, nasa ka na?
Feel ko may magaganap breakup talaga today, guys.
Sweet, biglang.
So, it's time for a little more chaos.
Ayan na.
I
Okay.
have something prepared.
Yay!
So, may game tayo today.
Oh no,
good
okay.
luck.
It's how well do you know your
Oh my
K-pop
God.
girlfriend? Are you
Okay,
ready?
okay, sige.
Okay, so my first question is,
Gangnam.
who is Neri?
Sorry.
Ano? Who is Neri's ultimate bias?
Si ano, yung Namjoon, si Namjoon.
What's his full name?
Kim Namjoon.
I'm proud of you.
Mas una ko siya nakilala as RM. Apparently, he doesn't go by
Yes.
that anymore.
Yes.
I mean, he still does.
Pero minsan,
Mr. Dance?
parang hindi lang siya happy dun sa
Ah,
pangalan niya.
oo.
Pero ginagamit niya pa rin.
Okay.
What's her favorite K-pop group?
Blackpink. No, I'm kidding. BTS.
Basta siya.
Sinasabi ko talaga, magiging meme ka.
Well, I know before I met you, that was the only K-pop group, I guess, that I knew.
Why? Why?
BTS. Yeah, so BTS, yeah.
At
Yeah.
this one, how long has she been a K-pop fan?
Oh, 6 years?
I
7?
think 2019.
Oh, I was
Ay,
correct.
magsa-7.
Magsa-7, 6 years, yeah.
Batchmate!
Budget.
I love it. What was the last concert she attended?
The Hobie, I don't know the name.
Hope on the
Tama,
stage.
No, I mean, may title pa yun eh.
Hope on the
Street.
Stage.
Stage.
Close. That's his album.
At least S.
Hot, di ba?
Kalsada din naman yun.
What is Neri's favorite K-drama?
Ooh, do we watch K-drama?
Oh!
Ano, actually, alam mo, parang wala na kami chance manood ng K-drama lately.
I'm sure.
pero-
You've been so busy.
Hotel
no?
de Luna.
Hindi kasi, oh, you like that one, baby.
Si IU.
Pero ang point ako.
That was the only K-related.
Siya. How well do you know Neri nga?
Ilay, alam kong may
Hindi
K-pop
kasi-
star eh.
Alam mo, ang tagal ko lang, I just realized, ang tagal ko lang hindi nakakapanood ng K-drama. Kasi when you watch a K-drama, you have to sit down eh.
Oo.
Babasahin mo talaga yung mga subtitles.
Oo.
Eh, wala na tayo panahon
Especially
for
if you
that.
don't.
20 episodes, 1 hour each.
Yes.
Aba naman.
Tapos mga Hotel de Luna. Dahil yun kay IU eh. Pero I think I could say hindi ko pa yata ito naikwento sa yung Scarlet Heart.
Oo.
Hanggang ngayon, nagpe-petition pa din ako. Mag-second season. Ilang taon na ba eh?
Nasa Scarlet Heart pa
Nasa
din siya.
Scarlet Heart pa din ako.
And finally, what does the word opa mean?
Di ba kuya yun?
Tama.
Or brother?
Oo. Tama. Okay.
Huwag mo akong tatawagin Opa.
You passed the test.
Narinig mo yung sinabi
Love
na.
of God.
Huwag
Huwag mo akong tatawagin
for the
Opa.
love of God. Huwag tatawagin ako.
For the love of God. Oh my gosh, you passed the
Well
test. Congratulations, Bella.
Thank you, thank you,
I
thank
love
you.
it. I love it.
Yeah,
I love
yeah.
it. Your prize is bragging rights.
Yeah.
So, before we say goodbye, we want to leave something for all the couples watching out there. What's your message of encouragement to those navigating the K-pop world, and of course, love, and how should they balance it?
Yeah, well, yeah, for me, again, siguro i-reiterate ko lang na you can respect something without loving it fully. Just know that at the end of the day, you're just both fans. There are good and bad things about being fans. And if ever hindi mo talaga siya matandaan, maintindihan mo na lang na, you know, they're happy when they do these things. And if you really love them, that would be enough. So, yeah. That's it for me.
Shucks, Lord. Lord, I see what you're doing for others. Ikaw naman, Neri.
For me naman, siguro before I got into a relationship while being a K-pop fan, di ba parang tinatakot-takot tayo before lagi na, naku, kakaganyan mo, magiging single ka habang buhay.
Exhibit A.
Di ba? Exhibit A. So, ganon yung lagi sinasabi sa atin before. I mean, sinasabi sa atin, even naman until now. Pero, dati parang I have this idea of a jowa before. Sabi ko, gusto ko yung jowa ko yung kapag pupunta ako sa mga BTS cafe, willing sila tumayo sa tabi ng mga standee, willing sila magkain.
Diyan na nagpaparinig.
Hindi. Pero I mean, ganun yung idea ko before. Yung mga talaga very willing na magganon-ganon,
Yes.
ganyan. Yung sasamahan ako sa mga, alam mo yung sa Ayala Malls, yung army event, yung may mga kasal-kasal.
Yung mga buzz eyes.
Yung mga kasal-kasal, yung mga pupunta ng mga ganun-ganyan. Kala ko dati, dapat ganun na magiging jowa ko. Kaya ako samahan sa kahit saan na ganyan. And then I realized now na I have him and then I still get to enjoy my pagka-fangirl pero medyo low-low na ng konti kasi syempre, out of respect, na-realize ko na hindi kailangan ganun. It's just a matter of him showing up. So I think, yun lang naman ang gusto kong like i-share is, kapag feeling nyo yung mga boyfriend nyo parang kulang yung pakiramdam kasi hindi nila ginawa ito, yung mga nakikita natin sa mga post, the fact na nandun sila, bit-bit yung merch bag mo, bit-bit yung light stick mo, dala-dala ganyan, binilhan ka ng kape nung nandun kayo sa cafe, naghihintay siya the whole time, ganyan. I think, it's really enough. You don't have to force your boyfriends to like them. Kasi you like them enough eh. Di ba parang kung saan, minahal mo naman sila, wala naman nagpilit sa iyo. Di ba, minahal mo yung BTS na on your own. Let them see that.
Yes.
Kasi may kita naman nila yun eh. And he sees that eh. Kaya mataas din ang respect niya with BTS. And I don't expect him na every time na may balita about BTS, sasabihan niya ako, babe, alam mo ba? Hindi, responsibilidad yun. Responsibilidad ko yun sabihin sa kanya na, babe, alam mo ba?
Siya yung nagsasabi.
Diba, ready na ba wallet mo, babe? Ang role niya is yung wallet. Tsare!
Jello, I'm so sorry.
And that ends this podcast. Thank you. See you next time.
No, pero I mean,
may magaganap talaga na breakup today.
But I think that's really it. It's more of compromise, partnership, time management, and really more of communication and understanding each other's passion. Diba? Ganun. Kasi ang mga lalaki, may sarili din yan silang saltik.
And I think it's super nice coming from you both na people are able to see it kasi I'm sure there are other armies out there who struggle with their significant others not being very supportive of them being a fangirl. So hopefully they can learn a thing or two
at saka alam mo,
this.
I have BTS friends, mga army friends din na mothers na sila. So I think it's a really good crowd sometimes kasi makikita mo yung balance kapag may asawa ka na eh. So may mga friends ako na ang ginagawa ng mga asawa nila, nandun lang sila sa kotse. Naghihintay lang sila pag may mga cup sleeve. Sila rin taga-bit-bit ng mga standee. Pero I mean, the fact na nandun yung asawa nila, na nakikita din nila yung mga wife nila sumisigaw sa mga standee, but they're there, it's enough. I think it's really enough na talaga. It's a really big deal when someone shares their time. Diba?
Oh my God. So thank you so much. I even if wala akong jowa, even I learned something today. So thank you so much, Neri and Jello, for joining me today.
Thank you so much for having us.
Putting me in your calendar.
Yes!
And that's it for today's K-Hangout episode. If you're a fan and in a relationship, don't worry, it's not a contradiction. You can stream a music video, cry over your idol, and still build a strong connection in real life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Vlogaplay and follow them on all their social medias at Vlogaplay. And where can they find you guys on social media?
Neri Sashimi and
Jello.Lasen on TikTok.
I love it. Guys, go give them a follow. So until next time, get ready to stand. It's K-Hangout time. Annyeong!